Good morning, ladies. Today we bring you a new release, just a mini set of glitter ornaments, something that you can use for quick Christmas gifts or a Christmas card or just on a napkin or on a little cloth that you can put on the table. We made these ornaments to be used with Glitterflex or glitter vinyl, Glitterflex or glitter vinyl. Remember, if you're going to embroider with this as your applique medium, you need to remove the cover sheet so that you do not have the plastic cover sheet on it. Here follows a quick guide of what you need to do when you are using Glitterflex. First of all, on your project that you're going to embroider, you will have a guideline of where to place the Glitterflex. You will then place down the Glitterflex and it will tack down like in an applique stitch. We actually have an example on the wall. You can see what we do here. Then we trim away the Glitterflex around the design. When you've done that, you actually have to go to your ironing pad with your little iron and you have to iron the Glitterflex so that it adheres to your project. If you do not do that, Glitterflex are stretchable, it stretches. So if you have multiple stitches on the Glitterflex, it might cause little wrinkles or puffs and it will make for not a neat design. Once you've done that, you've fused the Glitterflex like we've done here, then you may complete the design on your project. I hope that this will help you to make a very neat and tidy, fun project. We are now going to go to the machine and start stitching one of the ornaments. Glitterflex is a great medium to add some shimmer to your Christmas projects. As I said, we have the 4 ornaments. That's just the mini set that we are going to release today. Over here we made a Christmas card. We used burlap as a foundation for our design. We simply frayed the burlap and stuck it down on carton and made a Christmas card. Make personal Christmas cards this year. It is so much nicer to receive something personal that you can hold and touch than to get an e-card with little flying butterflies or flowers and some music. This is very personal. We have also on the board some other design sets that we have with Glitterflex so that you can actually just see some more samples. Over here we have a Christmas tree skirt. Also again on burlap. This is a purchased tree skirt that Krista made for me, Krista from the United States. And on here we have Glitter Christmas. The designs on here are from Glitter Christmas. And this makes for a nice shiny Christmas tree skirt under your tree. And then here again, that's the new set for glitter ornaments. And over here we have the very popular elegant Christmas runner. You have the runner that you can see are in 3 different pieces, the triangle, the main piece, and then the insert. So on this runner we've actually got Christmas shimmer designs also with Glitterflex. And then what's on here on the triangle and on the inserts that is called Holly Fantasy. So again, a very nice runner that you can put on your Christmas table, and it will be beautiful. You can also use the runner as a blank to make runners for fall or for spring or for summer or whatever your desire prefers. You can have fabric on the corners, and then you have a plain color fabric on the here, and at the back we have no lining. We just used woven stabilizer to stabilize the fabric. I can assure you that makes it stiff and firm enough to put on your table. You can line it if you so wish, but it is not necessary. So just a few design sets with Glitterflex, and Glitterflex over here, and the new set that we are going to release today, just a set of Christmas ornaments. And might I mention, you may see that some of them have got like little polka dots. When Dawn came over to visit me now, she bought me this Glitterflex. It's called Perth, P-E-R-F, Perth. And you can purchase it from her website called Crystal Eye Candy. I find it very interesting, and there's lots of colors. So again, Perth, P-E-R-F, perforated Glitterflex for multiple use. We hope that you will enjoy the mini set to make quick Christmas gifts. Goodbye.